Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Shirley here. I know I did take some time away, been pretty busy doing events, but I am slowly trying to ease my way back in again into creating content and to just genuinely sharing things that I enjoy sharing with you guys here on my channel. And in today's video, one of the things that I wanted to share with you guys, I did receive a package from Temu. So the package is right here. It's a few items that I did get, and I think they're pretty amazing. I wanted to share with you guys in today's video. I did receive this item as part of a paid collab with Temu. So let's go ahead and get into the video. I can't wait to show you some of those amazing items that I did receive. Also guys, if you're new to Temu and you want to try it out, you can go ahead and download the Temu app and use my code to get $100 coupon bundle to save on your first order. Some of these items I will be sharing with you that I received from Temu are actual items I've used here before on my channel. I personally use them while decorating my events. These are my honest thoughts and pieces I truly consider decor staples. The first item I want to share with you are these arch acrylic gold table numbers for table 1 through 10. Now, these acrylic arch table numbers are really clean and they're modern and they are very easy to style. They are sturdy and simple to set up and they photograph beautifully, which is always a plus if you're having a wedding or any special events. The second items I want to share with you are these 12-piece gold taper candle holders. They are mixed height. These gold taper candle holders are my go-to staples because of the mixed height. That makes any table feel layered and intentional. They are easy to put together, they are sturdy, easy to style, and they work beautifully whether you're doing a simple decor or a full candlelit look. The third item is an item that I haven't shared with you before in my channel. These are called Glass Hurricane Desktop Lamp Style Candle Holders. These Hurricane Glass candle holders give off the prettiest soft glow and intensely make the table feel warm and inviting. I love using these for intimate tables such as the sweetheart tables or anywhere I want a candlelit to feel elegant but not too overwhelmed. The fourth one I would like to share with you guys is this tall gold 5-arm candelabras. Now I've decorated before with multiple different size, different style candelabras. However, this tall 5-arm candelabra is a true statement piece that instantly adds height and drama to a space. I love how the arms sit in different levels, which gives a balance and an elegant look, especially if you're having a wedding. Now, if you are having candlelit dinners as well, it will look beautiful on the table, whether it was a romantic dinner setup without needing so much extra decor. It would definitely elevate your tables. This candelabra is really well made and feels sturdy. It comes with a removable acrylic lampshade, which I love for safety. I personally recommend using LED candles or removing the shades when needed. It's easy to set up, it comes packaged nicely with clear instructions, and once it's together, it makes a beautiful statement piece. For the fifth item I will be sharing with you are actual items that I've shown before on my channel. I did use them before to decorate a sweetheart table for an event that I was decorating. These luxurious glass candle holders, they come in a set of 3. Now, they may be small, but they really stand out. I love using them on specialty tables, like I've mentioned before, the sweetheart tables or a cake table, because they give an instant wow factor at first glance. As someone who loves doing floral centerpieces here on my channel, I want to present the 6th item to you guys, and these are called white artificial delphinium florals. These white delphinium stems look realistic and are easy to bend or cut, which makes them great for custom arrangements. I love mixing them into bud vases with other artificial florals to add height, texture, and a light, airy feel to my centerpieces. Thank you so much guys for watching. Remember, all these items are from Temu and they're pieces I can reuse over and over for different events. Let me know in the comment section guys which one stood out to you the most. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.